Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm currently recording with this, but this is the microphone that I've been using for the past few months. So I record all of my videos, all of my WTI videos, and I record everything of my personal business with this microphone in here. Something I like about this is the noise reduction. Around my house, I have fans, I have little birds that are always running around, and it doesn't pick none of those sounds. It just concentrates in my voice. Something else that I like is the charging case. I can actually take this all the places, and this has a big charge. Actually, I can have weeks and weeks of recording, and I wouldn't have to go and charge it. It's Type C, easy to travel with, just boom, ping, pow. Just put it in your phone with your Type C connector, and it's like having this transmitter that I can go to different places, and I don't have to be working with cables. So if you're looking for a great microphone that is gonna work for you, great voice, great battery, and it's gonna be portable like this one is great by EZColoris. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.